Icebergs, those majestic mountains of ice that drift across our oceans, have a fascinating origin story. They are born from glaciers, massive rivers of ice that form over thousands of years. These glaciers are formed by the accumulation of snow, which compresses and transforms into ice under its own weight. As glaciers grow and flow under the force of gravity, they carve their way through valleys and over land. The constant movement, coupled with the sheer weight of the glacier, causes large chunks of ice to break off at the edges. This process, known as calving, is the moment an iceberg is born. These newly formed icebergs, comprised of fresh water from the snow that created them, stand in stark contrast to the salty ocean water that now surrounds them. The dramatic difference in density between the two, with ice being less dense than water, ensures that only a small portion of the iceberg, roughly 10%, is visible above the surface. The vast majority of this icy giant lurks beneath the waves, hidden from our view. Once an iceberg calves from a glacier, it begins a long, slow journey across the ocean. These icy voyages, varying greatly in size and shape, can be as small as a car or as large as a small country. Their journey is a testament to the powerful forces of nature that shape our planet. As they drift away from their glacial origins, icebergs become subject to the relentless forces of wind and water. These forces, often working in tandem, propel the icebergs on their uncertain course. The journey is far from a straight line, with icebergs often taking circuitous routes across vast distances. The journey of an iceberg is a slow and majestic spectacle. Unlike ships that navigate the seas with purpose, icebergs are at the mercy of the elements. They twist, turn, and sometimes even capsize as they respond to the constant push and pull of the ocean and the wind. The movement of icebergs is a complex dance orchestrated by a trio of powerful forces: wind, ocean currents, and Earth's rotation. Wind, with its ability to push against the exposed portion of the iceberg, can influence both speed and direction. Ocean currents, acting like massive conveyor belts beneath the surface, play a significant role in transporting icebergs across vast distances. These currents, driven by variations in water temperature and salinity, act as invisible highways, guiding the icebergs along their journey. Earth's rotation also plays a subtle yet significant role in shaping an iceberg's path. The Coriolis effect, a consequence of the planet's spin, causes a deflection of moving objects, including icebergs, to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Section 4. Uncharted waters, the unpredictable nature of iceberg drift. While wind, ocean currents, and Earth's rotation are the primary drivers of iceberg movement, predicting their exact path remains a significant challenge for scientists. The interactions between these forces are complex and ever-changing, making it difficult to anticipate an iceberg's future trajectory with certainty. Furthermore, the unpredictable nature of iceberg carving, with size and frequency varying greatly, adds another layer of complexity to tracking these icy behemoths. The shape of an iceberg, constantly evolving as it melts and breaks apart, also influences its response to wind and currents, further complicating predictions. The underwater portion of an iceberg, often far larger than the visible part, can also collide with the ocean floor, altering its course in unpredictable ways. This interaction with the seabed, coupled with the potential to get stuck on underwater obstacles, makes tracking their movements even more challenging. Section 5. Charting the unknown challenges in predicting iceberg movement. The unpredictable nature of iceberg movement poses significant challenges for scientists and mariners alike. Accurately predicting their paths is crucial for ensuring the safety of maritime traffic, especially in regions frequented by these icy giants. Scientists rely on a combination of satellite imagery, oceanographic data, and computer models to track icebergs and forecast their movements. However, the inherent uncertainties associated with these massive free-floating objects make it an ongoing challenge to provide precise and long-term predictions. The unpredictable nature of icebergs highlights the power and complexity of our planet's natural forces. As we continue to study these icy wanderers, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate interactions that shape our oceans and the challenges in predicting the movements of these majestic giants.